Oh yeah, guys. Got the lights on. It's all waxed up, man. I'm so happy. You know, it's coming off as purple to you guys, but trust me, it's not. It's blue. Okay, so you guys know that I have a lot of time at night and I can't leave nothing alone. So I put that little piece of leather on the front of the fender. It's kind of cool. I'll see how long it takes me to get tired of it. And we put a little tail on, a little spoiler. What I did is I took this piece of leather off. I peeled that off. And I mounted that under the fender. So, you know, I think that actually looks better than something that would have been as wide as the fender, because it's not overwhelming like that. And as you see, we're making sure that battery is 100% before the ride to the calf racer show on Sunday. That's probably, it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so this is now, it's now Saturday morning, so it's supposed to rain all day today. You guys see the little piece of leather I have in here? I might change that to a different piece. So yeah, Sunday's probably the only chance I'll be able to get this out. You see, there's another, it kind of looks, that piece of leather kind of looks cool on the tip. You know, because I got one on the bottom. And that bottom one, I don't know if you guys can make it out. Yeah, you can't make it out. Let me put my light on over there, guys. Yeah, guys, my light's not working over there. I don't have it plugged in. But anyway, I put like a little tribal accent on that. Give it like a three-dimensional look. So I'll run those until I get tired of them. But this back one, and then what I did is I curled it up just a little bit. See, I curled it up. Or double-sided tape's coming off here a little. I curled it up a little bit. I got double-sided tape underneath here to hold down some of the braid ends. I might have to put a little bit of super glue on that to keep it from peeling off. So what I'm going to do at the calf racer show, as long as they allow pictures to be taken, I'm going to take some pictures, and I'll try to make a video going into it with the GoPro, and then I'll probably have a lot of still shots of the motorcycles, as long as this doesn't get rained out. Right now it's supposed to be a cloudy day, so we'll see what happens. And as for the Honda, we're keeping the Honda because I couldn't sell it. My ad expired. There was 431 people that looked at it. 3 people wanted pictures. They wanted more pictures. They wanted to know why I modified it. Why am I getting rid of it? You know, and I don't play that game with people. Usually, hey, why aren't you focusing? There we go. Usually when people want more pictures and they want to know this and they want to know that, they're not interested. If they're interested, they'll come over and they just basically want it or they don't. So we're going to keep that. We're going to start working on the harness, and we'll see if we can get that running. Then once it's running, we'll go a little further with it. So I'll see you guys later, and take care.